Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by resetting the network and stopping competing apps because Brookhaven Lag is often a local bandwidth or CPU issue. First, restart your router and plug in Ethernet to reduce packet loss. Once done, close Chrome, streaming, or update-heavy apps. Next, update Roblox and your operating system, and clear the Roblox cache to remove corrupt temp files. These steps eliminate the most common causes quickly, so you can see if lag persists before digging deeper. Once the basics are done, optimize the connection and device settings to stabilize frame rate. Move to 5 GHz or wired Ethernet and consider assigning a static IP so your router handles traffic predictably. Then change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 for snappier name resolution. Make sure uploads aren't saturating the link by pausing cloud backups and inspect CPU/GPU usage and temperatures. If your device is thermal throttling, that explains stutters and needs cooling or reduced load. To finish, focus on in-game settings and a last resort reinstall. Set Roblox graphics to manual, drop quality and render distance, and disable unnecessary effects to improve FPS. These changes directly reduce GPU work. If problems remain, reinstall Roblox and update your GPU drivers to rule out corrupted files or driver incompatibilities. Finally, if lag persists, try another account or a different Brookhaven server to identify account or server-specific issues. And if that fails, contact support with your diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.